place like home. And today, I'm gonna do a centerpiece for my coffee table. And I'm gonna show y'all just how to do it, okay? Okay, so these are the things you're gonna need. These are my little pumpkins that I made. And the rest of these things that I got some from the Dollar Tree and just some things I already had from another arrangement. So I'm just gonna kind of put this right here together real quick. Okay, just stay tuned. So let's get started. So next I'm gonna wipe this up a little bit, and then I'm going to decorate my coffee table. This is gonna be my centerpiece. What we just made. And just kind of put your little pumpkins just in there like so. Some of these was left from fall last year. And I'm just gonna kind of put these off in there. There you have it. All right. Now I'm going to finish decorating. Now I'm going to do the fireplace. I'm gonna dust it off real good, and then I'm gonna start placing my items on it. Okay. sign that I made. I'm going to show y'all how to do that. So in another video, I'm going to show y'all how I did this. So this is a quick tour of the final results of my fall living area. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I hope I gave y'all some ideas on how to do your own home. And just put things together, and you don't have to go out and buy a whole lot of stuff. Just use what you have at home and put it together, or something you had from last year. Just use that and make it fun, and and whatever you use, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good because we all decorators in our own rights. So y'all, I hope y'all subscribe. If y'all have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I do thank my subscribers for joining me. I have some good subscribers, and I thank y'all for that. And I thank y'all for watching my videos, and I thank y'all for the comments, because I love comments, y'all. I love reading each and every one of those. And y'all just be blessed and have a safe day. Keep wearing your mask. I keep telling y'all that on every one of my videos. Just keep wearing your mask and washing your hands like you're supposed to do. And yeah, and so y'all the next time, because as we know, there's no place like home. You can go anywhere else, but you always can go home. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.